In this video, we will be focusing on how you can copy Cengage content from one D2L course into another. There are essentially two steps that you're going to be following. The first step is to copy your D2L course, and then the second step is to establish your new Cengage course. So let's walk through these steps together by going directly to D2L. So this is my new D2L course titled UCO Birkin. So this is the course that I'm going to be teaching this semester, or starting in a couple of weeks. The first thing you want to do is go to Edit Course. And when you're in Edit Course, you'll see this option to import, export, or copy components. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. And then you'll see I have this option to copy components from another org unit. So basically, I want to copy content from a previous D2L course that I taught in a previous semester. So to do that, I'm going to click on Search for Offering. So I'm basically searching for a course that I taught in the past called Business and Computing. So here's that course that I'd like to copy from. Going to click this radio button and click Add Selected, and from here I can either copy all components or select components. Since I want this to be an exact duplicate of that course that I taught in the past, I'm going to choose the option to copy all components. You can see that it processes, and then once your course is done processing, you'll see this green check mark here. So now I'm ready to go into my course builder area, and this is where I can confirm that all of those modules from that original section actually imported into this new section. So I know that it did because previously I had a module called DW MindTap module. So now that I've confirmed that the content has copied over, I'm going to go to this content link here, which will allow for me to launch one of my Cengage links. You can choose any link of your choice. I'm going to go into this folder here and click on one of my Cengage activities in order to launch it. Now the first time I do this, it's going to prompt for me to create a Cengage course. When you're prompted to create a Cengage course, you'll see that you have a couple of options. If you've taught this course in the previous semester, which you have, you're going to choose the option to copy from my existing course. So here is my existing Cengage course that I used in the past. I'm just going to choose the radio button for that course. And if I scroll down a little bit further, it gives me the option to put in my new Cengage course name. Once I've entered in all of the required information, I'm just going to click on the Continue button. It takes a second to redirect. You can see that it will start to set up your course. And once you're taken out to the Cengage homepage, then you're done. Now obviously I'm in a program called MindTap. It doesn't matter which Cengage program you're using, whether it be Cengage Now or SAM. As long as you're taken out to that Cengage homepage, then you know that you successfully copied your course. So from here, you should be done. You've successfully imported your Cengage content from a previous course into your new course, and you've clicked on one of the Cengage links in order to create a new Cengage course. Now, there may have been issues with syncing grades in the past, and I want to address those specifically. So I have some additional questions for you if you've had issues with syncing your grades in the past that were not resolved by clicking on the manual sync. So if the manual sync did not help you, the criteria that you need to meet would be you already recreated links after April 30th, and after doing so, you did not change the names of your gradebook items in Cengage. If you don't meet this criteria, then you'll have to follow these additional steps. So I would need to go out into my gradebook for this course, which is the new course. I am going to go to Assessments, and then I will click on Grades. From here, I'll see a list of my Cengage content in addition to any non-Cengage content. What you want to do to resolve grade syncing issues for Cengage content is to remove the grade book columns associated with those items. Now you may want to take a screenshot of this so that once you delete it, you can remember that you need to re-add back to D2L. I'm going to click on More Actions, and then I want to delete these items. And I'm just going to confirm that these are the items that I want to delete. After deleting the gradebook columns, I'm also going to go in and delete the actual activity links from within the course builder. So I'm in my course builder area and I am removing those Cengage links because they have been problematic in the past and I need to recreate them. So just depending upon how many links you have to remove, it may take longer than other courses. Now that I've removed the bad links that cause grade syncing issues, I want to just drag and drop my Cengage Learning icon back into that module. I'm going to go to this linked option. I'm going to select my textbook. And from here, I just want to re-add those graded assignments back into Desire to Learn. So I'm going to select those 5 items that I just removed from the D2L gradebook, and I also removed them from the D2L course builder area. So I'm going to check those 5 activities. As you can see, by default, this Add to Gradebook is selected. And from here, I'm going to confirm my selections, click Save. And now I've essentially added those links back, but since I've recreated them, I don't have to worry about any grade syncing issues. And moving forward next semester, when I copy this course, I won't have to follow that process of deleting these links and re-adding them because I've already gone through the process to correct any issues. Now, if you're still having issues and you need help, you can always reach out to your local Cengage training and implementation specialist or a member of your local Cengage sales team. But I also encourage you to reach out directly to support at cengage.com/support.